Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Hotmart application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hotmart application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the start button, which you can tap on and then continue forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in using your email address and your password, if you wish to disable notifications from the Hotmart app on your device, just tap on the user ID at the top right corner, which will take you into your account page. Now, from this page, tap on Manage Notifications, and you will see the various different kinds of notifications that will be sent to you by the Hotmart app. If you wish to turn these off, just read through the kind of notification and turn off the toggles one by one based on the one that you wish to not see. If you wish to turn off all notifications, you can also turn off the toggle at the very first, which will disable all notifications altogether. And now you will not receive any notifications from the Hotmart application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Hotmart app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.